or it's going to be magnet. Oh, this is strong. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, guys.
And the sitting position is going to be here, easy to reach and navigate, and you can see all that stuff here.
The secondary part, as you can see, you can just remove it. Oh, the magnet is very good. And you can control through this Google voice command, and all the apps is going to be pops up here. Oh, this is my favorite part. Today we're gonna take out the smart screen for your vehicle. If you don't have any screens, this is the product for you. Best selling on the Amazon. I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion how this unit it works. Let's start. This is a newer version and they add some cool stuff. Even the memory is a little bigger inside, and the faster unit. It's supposed to be a faster unit, and it's a lot cheaper, affordable, not cheaper, it's more affordable. All right, so inside the box we have the unit itself. It's nice and small. So what do we have here? RCA input, so it's going to be an audio jack. If you don't have audio jack, this is the mounts on the dash. As you can see, mounts is like kind of long and a very interesting mount. So what else? We have a secondary mount. As you can see, this is for the ventilations, and the both mounts is magnetic. That's great. Oh, this one is a full and interchangeable. If you want to do interchange between the mounts, you can do it. And the tons of take with the multi-language owner's manuals. We're not gonna read the owner's manuals today because we already know how to use that. Right away, I wish they added USB output here on when I'm using my cigarette lighter. I need a USB output. A lot of companies does that. You guys have on the older screen, I unboxed it, you guys have the USB output, but on this one you guys don't have it. Please make it the next time. So right away on the back we have micro SD input and the auxiliary audio input and the auxiliary video input. It's supposed to be the reverse camera and just a USB-C. So this part is going to be lockable, or it's going to be magnet. This is strong. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, guys. To put a very strong magnet, so it's not going to fall off, not going to drop anywhere. So we're going to connect this part to power. Hope we're not going to explode today. So what are we going to do? We insert USB-C. All right, this is like iPad, very nice and tiny, not too big. Oh, this is my favorite part to unbox, right? All right, so right away, what do we have? The welcome, multiple language, French, Dutch, Italiano, Portuguese, whatever, the Russian, even we're gonna go to the English, right? Oh, it's a very fast unit right away. So what we have here in the layout, we have the light outputs, the screen, and we have audio here. It's very quick, responsible, and that one, it was a screen flip. So every time you flip the screen, depending how the installation, there is none any the screens like that can be screen flippable. I like this kind of the stand-up long version of the screen for some reason, and you can connect it to Android Auto, CarPlay, SuperLink, audio output, so you can do this setup. So here we go. On the top you have always your music, but we're going to connect to the Android Auto. So quickly we connect to the Android Auto, and as you can see on the screen you have here just a map. You can adjust the map with the different, my fingers always is not touching very good. Traffic, you can do the satellite view, so something like that. All right, you can turn on the traffic, all the Google stuff, right? It's gonna be there. So on the lower part you have your weather, and you can play anything, and most application you can put it here, and you can control through this Google voice command, and all the apps is going to be pops up here on your whatever's the phone. You have music apps, you can play straight from this. Also, what you can do, you can go back with this part, and you can click back to the system. All right, yeah, you can just exit the Android Auto. And the good part that not many all the Android Auto screens does has this the AirPlay, right? So you can mirror your the phone to this or the SuperLink. You can link your device with the connections with the phone, and you can watch your YouTube and the movies. I don't suggest to do that when you're driving the vehicle, but you can do that. It's a long trips, or you want to install this, the secondary part. As you can see, you can just remove it. Oh, the magnet is very good. So you can remove it and you can put on the back seat, right? So your kids gonna be enjoying the audio.
Right, so location number 1 on the Tesla, we don't have Google Maps or the Waze, so we can use this guy right here, like anti-radar, all that stuff. This is location 1, you can install there. And you can run the wires with the wire management from under the dash, so it's going to be nice and clean. And the sitting position is going to be here, easy to reach and navigate, and you can see all that stuff here. I think position 2 it's much better, just right above monitor, and it's going to be right here, so you can see your reverse mirror, all that stuff, and your weight is going to be just sits on the right there. Third location, it's going to be on the back seat. Since this is a magnetic, you can just mount here, and as you can see, AirPlay here, SuperLink or Android Auto, whatever you want to do. If it's SuperLink, you can watch all the videos, movies for your back seat, and definitely it's going to be adjustable right here. And a super nice and clean setup right there. This one is going to be very interesting, right? On the back seat, this is just a phone holder, right? Because this one it runs from just a single USB, you can run just any USB cable from this side or any side, and you have monitor on the back seat also. No matter what kind of vehicle, no matter what kind of mount you have, you can utilize this unit like that. In the last location, I had the iPod holder like this on the back seat, right? What I did, I just replaced that with the magnetic side, so very easy to install for me now. And I have back monitor on the back seat, back headrest. You can do this way, we can do this way if it's the one person that sits there. You can use here, you can use for everybody, or you can make it on the middle. You have monitor on the back too, so without any issue. Only thing you gotta do is just a wire management, tiny wire management. You hide the wire, and that's it. Comment below what you guys, what the best location for this monitor. And last, mainly this unit is made for the dash, right? You can use right here, and it's going to be on the middle screen, or you can flip the screen. And now it's going to be flip the screen, and you're going to see welcome. It will be portrait or horizontal. You can do either way depending on the vehicle location, and you can use this unit without any issues. Right here, you can do this back again, confirm. It's going to be flips up, and it's going to give you brand new life for your older vehicle. And you can choose whatever you want to do. You can link, you can watch the YouTube videos, all that stuff. I don't suggest you do that while driving. Great product for the price. Comment below, guys, what do you think? So here it's gonna be like a multiple the different options. Where is that? Is this on the settings, right? How you can do it? You can tether to the radio, service factory, firmware update. So on the last one, it's going to be audio output. So you have four different options, right? The first option is going to be built-in speaker, whatever the tiny speaker has. On the back, you're going to listen to music. The next one is going to be Bluetooth. So you're going to connect it to your vehicle through the Bluetooth. So it's going to be through the Bluetooth. If you have a files inside your Bluetooth, the vehicle Bluetooth is going to pick up this, and it's going to be projected through the speakers, right? And another one, it's going to be the radio. You set up the radio channel here, whatever's the empty channel you have, and you dial on your vehicle, and the FM radio, that's exactly the same channel, and so you're going to hear all the music, whatever's the audio is coming up from this through that. If you have older vehicle, you don't have any input jacks or the Bluetooth, the way to go. The last one is going to be a wire connection. As you can see, auxiliary wire. This is the output here. So the 3.5 jack, you're gonna stick to your vehicle, and the audio comes up from your vehicle. So very nice, smaller, compact device, useful. You can switch between the horizontal and the vertical version. I thought it's gonna be like an automatic, but if you want the bigger screen on this scenario, you can do that, and you can just click Android Auto. It's going to be connect automatically in a minute, and you can do the SuperLink again, CarPlay, all that stuff, right? So yeah, this is great. Another small product. It's a quick video unboxing and seeing. Okay, but as you can see, the system, it's the lags a little bit. It's not going to be your phone kind of the device, but when you add everything like for reason or the save items, all that stuff, everything works, but it's not going to be like a pinchable, like a zoom in, zoom out, like all the phones. Only the downside, I have a bunch of different ones. Exactly, it's a CarPlay units like that, monitors. I'm going to unbox the next video, and I'm going to show you how the double, triple, 4 times expensive ones will look like.